Hello and welcome back to the reading of this book, The Wise Method, Awakening Earth Stewards in Unity and Purpose. And this section that I'm reading from today was called How to Use This Book. So it follows on from the introduction in the previous video. And so now we're going into a section where I'm just talking about how to use this book and get the best out of it. So I'll begin. Dear Earth Lover, I want to first of all welcome you to this book. I created it so that you can move through your own self-discovery process and inner reflections at your own pace. I invite you on a journey of release, empowerment, and aligning with your passion to discover what you care most about and becoming inspired to embark on that purpose or mission. Firstly, we have to address where we might be clouded in knowing why we are here and what it is we are here to do or actualize. So as much as this is a book to inspire and be thought-provoking, it can also act as a tool for self-transformation and for finding your own North Star or deepest why for being here. Use the information and tools provided at your own discretion and take what resonates and leave the rest. The book and the Wise Method are an invitation into a journey of self-discovery. I hope that you enjoy the process and, as always, be loving and kind with yourself along the way. The Wise System was created to help you walk through the steps of self-inquiry so that you get to know yourself, align with your essence, and then to choose a path that resonates with your heart and soul. My aim is to share with you tools for your own self-inquiry, to live more joyfully, and other helpful reflective processes, to help break down the barriers to reveal your natural identity and soul mission. To begin, we have to first understand what makes up our thoughts, beliefs, and emotions day to day. This is the process of self-inquiry so that you can identify limiting beliefs and programming that hold you back from expressing who you are at your core, beyond the habitual monkey mind, so that you can live a life of innate purpose and fulfillment. The kind of joy you knew as a child, before the weight of the world beckoned along with compounded traumatic experiences, is still here within you, right now, waiting to be seen, acknowledged, and known. From the day you were born, you were immersed into a world of cultural conditioning. This conditioning shaped your beliefs, values, and behaviors, molding your perception of the world and influencing how you emotionally navigate the complexities of life. Cultural conditioning encompasses the norms, traditions, and expectations that are deeply ingrained into the fabric of society, often shaping our perception of pain or trauma and our response to it. These cultural narratives get passed down through generations, becoming part of our internal landscape, influencing how we interpret and respond to traumatic events and experiences. By acknowledging cultural conditioning, we take responsibility for our stories and our attachment to them. But we have the power to select which parts of our cultural background make sense to our soul and are in alignment with our conscious understanding, and to let go of those that impede our growth, authentic expression, and well-being. This evolutionary choice involves introspection, self-reflection, and a commitment to honouring our intrinsic truth, i.e., living a life that resonates with our heart and soul. As you progress through this book, the Wise Method offers you a blueprint for self-discovery and is a tool for supporting inner exploration so that you can heal the past and identify and release the narratives that no longer serve you, becoming the creator of your life. As you embark on this journey of dissolving cultural conditioning around trauma or limiting beliefs, remember that it is a deeply personal exploration. This is a chance to develop cultural awareness and discernment, blending the knowledge of your heritage with your unique individuality and soul expression. Embrace this spiritual odyssey to mindfully inquire and reignite your connection with your inner child according to your higher values and intuitive compass. Be gentle with your process of healing and aligning with your essence and your spiritual calling, and approach this journey with a sense of curiosity about what you will discover and learn. Enjoy and laugh once in a while at the transient and temporary nature of it all. We can all take ourselves too seriously sometimes. So let's first explore together some of my own heartfelt dialogue around unity awareness and some emerging models for a healthier, happier society and planet. Thank you. That's the completion of the introduction to the book. So thank you for watching, and again, if you would like to purchase the actual book, here it is, The Wise Method, Awakening Earth Stewards in Unity and Purpose, available on Amazon, and the accompanying course is also available on my website. Thank you for watching, guys, and I'll see you soon. Love and light.